Hello beautiful friends, it's Linette and Nikki here, and Mr. Steve is helping us out today too, Handyman Steve, and we are just going to get down and dirty in the garden today. So I'm just going to take you along for the ride and show you some projects we're working on, and hopefully you'll find some inspiration from our messes. This is the before. We have a little mess going on here, so we want to do a refresh in this area. And we have an idea. So what we decided to do was dig out the dirt, and we had extra bricks, old bricks in the carriage house. And we're gonna brick this so the dirt doesn't come out on the sidewalk like it was. Steve had a great idea just to use the hoe to loosen things up. And I looked for some sand because that would be a great benefit to us today, but we don't have any sand left in the garage. And then once he's getting the dirt out, I thought this was really smart. He's getting a piece of wood and kind of tamping the dirt down with it. Then he's leveling the wood. Need a little bit of dirt.
Yep. Okay, that's really good right to there.
Well, I'm a disaster, but let me turn around the camera and show you how cute this looks. And I'm so excited. You know how those jobs in the garden you look at and you go, oh, I'll do that someday. Well, that's one of these jobs. I finally got it done. So look how cute it is, you guys. We just filled in the dirt behind it. And now what I'm going to do is just come with my foot and step kind of decently hard. And then what I did was I sprinkled a little bit of dirt in the front here as well. And then I think I'm going to get the hose and kind of water this down and kind of really push it down in. I think I might use another brick to sort of tamp it down like that. So much better. Because before I had the plastic, that plastic black edging, and I thought, well, the bricks over here are stacked that way, so I thought it would look nice to kind of mimic that. And then I also want to show you some other things that look really pretty in the garden. This view is always a pretty view for me. I love it's purple heaven in spring here, but I love the lilacs and the irises, and then the alliums. The other thing I wanted to show you was my first bloom, other than my tulips and like the lilacs and the irises, but this is my columbine, and I just transferred it here this year, and it's doing great. My tulips are almost done, you guys. Just like that. Mulch does a garden area so good. I love it. I thought I'd get way more done in the garden, but that's about the only job I got done. Oh well. Well, you guys go find something in your garden that's been bugging you and go find what makes you happy and find your passion today. Thanks, guys.